Hello world, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to codingscientist.com. You are watching autonomous drone bot build, code and fly 0 to hero series. All right guys, so let's take a look at it, what we are going to see, which component we are going to see in this lesson. So it's telemetry. It's one of the best equipments, or I would call it as a device, or you can also call it as a radio communication module. So basically telemetry allows for a real time information and communication in the form of a data stream. All right, it enables applications to have a live icon of a moving drone displayed on a map. All right, in a map, I'm going to show you about the map in the upcoming lessons. For now, try to understand how this device works. So telemetry is used to retrieve flight information of your drone into your computer or your radio control or your transmitter, either transmitter or in your computer, in your laptop, in order to follow several parameters of your drone bot on the ground, right? Whatever the parameter you set, like fly left, fly right, or fly go to this particular direction, whatever the mode you set it, that's how the communication happens. In this particular lesson tutorial series of tutorial, the kit which I'm building actually, and which I'm also selling it, is comes with a 3DR radio telemetry, which is this device which you can see it in the picture just next to me, right? It's called 3DR radio telemetry system for ArduPilot. It's called a system called ArduPilot. I'm going to talk about ArduPilot in a later series, later lessons. This is also designed as an open source Xbee replacement module radio set, right? So Xbee is another communication device. It's a small chip with an antenna with multiple pins output, and that's pretty complex. So based on that Xbee module only, this radio telemetry is devised, which is easy plug and play into your USB port, and it's a pretty low price and a long range, of course, several kilometers of coverage, and a very superior performance compared to the XB radios. All right, the kit includes one serial. The kit comes with a one serial board module to mount on your drone, and the one to the USB which connects to your laptop. So that's how this entire pairing works. All right. So as we start building our drone, right, you will understand how to configure this radio module and stuff like that. And I'm going to talk about that in detail. For now, I'm building these videos as short videos to just get you guys introduced to each and every components which comes as a bundle kit. Or you may also buy these components in separately as you wish, right? All right, guys. So that's it about for this lesson. I will come back to you soon with the next component. Goodbye.